Cadaviz redefines embryology education. With its comprehensive general embryology module, learners can now visualize life's earliest stages in stunning 3D detail. Trace the origin of gametes, from primordial cells to mature ova and sperm. Delve into the hormonal crosstalk orchestrating each phase of the menstrual cycle. Follow the fusion of gametes and watch the early stages of germinal development come to life. Watch as the blastocyst embeds into the endometrium, initiating a world of transformation. With Cadaviz, learners can map the period of organogenesis. In stunning 3D, you can now visualize the changes occurring in the embryo during the period. Watch neurulation begin as the neural tube rises from the embryonic disc. See somites segment with clockwork precision while vasculature weaves life into tissue. Observe how the embryo folds into a complex 3D structure. Explore the fetal period from 9 weeks to birth in vivid 3D with Cadaviz. Watch as the amnion stretches, chorion connects, and the umbilical cord forms nature's lifeline. Cadaviz can help learners to visualize in 3D the architecture of the placental barrier. Explore the choreography of placental circulation. Experience maternal-fetal blood exchange. Understand obstetric emergencies like placenta previa with Cadaviz's dynamic 3D visuals. Visualize premature detachment of the placenta and its life-threatening consequences. With Cadaviz, you can also learn about the placenta accreta spectrum and visualize how the placental tissue invades into the uterine wall. Explore the consequences of long and short umbilical cords. Comprehend the concept of chorionicity and amnionicity of monozygotic and dizygotic twins. Witness the symphony of biology with birth with the parturition module of Cadaviz. Learners can now observe about the different stages of labor, from uterine contractions to cervical dilation through fetal expulsion. Determine fetal age and development from biometric parameters such as head circumference, femur length, and abdominal circumference. Visualize amniocentesis step by step, from insertion to genetic data extraction. Observe chorionic villus sampling and learn to navigate the fine art of chordocentesis. Understand the diagnostic role of maternal serum screening. See how life-altering fetal surgery begins before birth. Explore fetal cardiac interventions. Enter the womb with fetoscopy. With Cadaviz, you can also learn about the various types of birth defects. By selecting the responsible chromosome, learners can delve into the genetic basis and clinical features of various disorders, making complex concepts easier to explore and understand. Thus, with Cadaviz, you can see what textbooks can't show about embryology,